Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I have a package that I have opened. Well, just I had opened it this way. And I believe it looks that it's from Beebeecraft. They contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try out their products. So let's dive in here and do the opening and see what I decided to get from them. So again, it's opened, like I started opening them like, oh no! So it is pretty woolly wrapped. I cut some of it off and then I was like recording and everything. Let's open this all the way so you guys can see what I have purchased. It comes with a packing list of what I have received. And everything that I have gotten from Beebeecraft will be, the item code will be down below in the description, and their website will be in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and hit here. These are like 12, I think, millimeter. I don't know what you want to call them, but flat, maybe flat back gems is what I would call them. They have their Christmas, because I was doing like that Christmas collab, so I figured I would have a little bit of Christmas stuff. There is, how many's in this bag? Wow, there's 200 of these little Christmas beauties. They say Merry Christmas, a little Christmas village, a Santa hat. Let's see what I say. What else? They have a Santa Claus in here. So there's 200 different ones to make a craft. So I have to figure out what I want to make. But look how gorgeous these are. They are glass. They remind me of glass. They are glass. I do apologize. But they remind me of like, like a marble, like a half of a flat marble. I believe they are like a sticker, if I remember correctly. I'm not for sure. No, they're not. Okay, so like they're like little gems. Like I thought maybe little flowers, like to put on little flowers. Little tag. I thought about making. Zach and I were thinking about making ornaments and like little Christmas tree ornaments, and then have these as like the little ball, little ornaments on the tree, which I think would be very, very cute to have Zach. And Zach will love these. He'll steal like half of these from me. He'll at least one each and put them in his toys that he uses. He loves little things. Look how cute that is. Okay, focus for me. Focus for me. There we go. See, little hat with the Merry Christmas. Look how cute that is. Alright, so I did decide that I wanted these, which is really neat. I wasn't expecting 200 of them, though. I guess I don't read. So I got some of them, and then I decided to do some little snowflake charms. And there are 20 of the little snowflakes. How cute are them? Right. These are like a pearl bead that are 6 mm. And does it say how many of these is in here? No, it does not. There are a lot, but I liked them because of the more of the metallic looking look. I just love these like little. I want to start making like chunky charms and all that good stuff. And a little charm to send out maybe with some of my Happy Mail, Fred Mail. Look how pretty them are. And like, you know, even like really, they don't even have to be for like the Christmas colors, you know. I love the colors. And that pink, and I'm gonna say it's a mint green, is like the best two things together. I'm loving it. I'm loving it already. Next thing is a pack here. And I like how it's packaged. It's all packaged together. Very, very good in one thing. Okay, let's just pull out the little stretchy, like, to make the jewelry. Size is 0.8. Crystal string. It's like stretchy and strong. I don't even know if you can see that because it's clear. Silly Sabrina. Tricks are for kids. This is just a set. So let's go ahead and look how cute this box is. It has this opening. We'll open it here. There's tape, so let me open it here. Ow. That sucker's hard to open. Alright, here we have little metal, like, I would say these go in between some of your pearls or your jewelry that you're making. The little circle hoops. Can you see them? I will get some more lighting, guys, I promise. And oh, these are cute. I get more of the snowflake, and there's a Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. There's the Christmas tree. Let's bring the snowflake in. Look how cute them are. Then I will bring this up. And then I ended up, excuse me, guys, little jingle bells, look, the green. And these are the 12 mm, and these are the 6 mm. So, wanted to let you know that. But look how much you get in this. Oh, should put these in here so I don't forget. That is totally, totally cool. I love the set of this. Gonna start doing a craft here. Alright, let me put that in there. Last but not least, look at all these goodies. Look at all the goodies. There are, on the charms, there are, I believe, 100 pieces in here. 100 pieces, guys. Look at them. From a Christmas tree to a polar bear. Oh, look at the Santa. To an umbrella. A little stocking filled. Different colors. A snowflake. Another polar bear. Trying to get you some different ones so you can see a Santa, a different Santa. Look how cute am I? Oh, sorry. Focus. Can you focus on the Santa? I just love the Santa, let me tell you. Look how cute the Santa is. There he goes. So I have all of them. Let's see what else I have here. Oh, a little deer. Look, I'm going to put it this way. A little deer. A Christmas tree. Ooh, there's another Santa. There's a different Santa. I think a gingerbread man. Look at them. These are so... I'm gonna say it's a leaf. A leaf or a wing, maybe. Some of the snowflakes are red and some are white. So it's different. A snowflake. Snowflake. Guys, if you guys... I'm either blind as a bat or something. That is a Santa head. A little... another different stocking. For like the mantle. These are so cute, guys. And you get 100 of these. Candy cane. Look at that. A different gingerbread man or woman. I'm going to call it a man because he's got a tie on. Just saying. So that, guys, is my Beebeecraft haul. I hope you enjoyed all my little goodies, and maybe you'll go check them out. Everything from the Beebeecraft website and the item codes will all be linked in my description for you guys to, if you want to purchase them from Beebeecraft. So until next time, guys, keep crafting. Bye.